to Chiang Mai station in 1 hour. Please check your belongings on the bed or stuff in the bed.
I arrived in Chiang Mai early, fresh off the overnight train from Bangkok, hoping for an early check-in. Unfortunately, Hostel 1 Art and Gallery Guesthouse enforces a strict 2 p.m. check-in, and I wasn't allowed into my room before then. Here's a useful tip if you arrive early. Head to Maya Lifestyle Shopping Center and catch a movie at the SFX Cinema. For only 120 Thai baht, you get a clean air-conditioned comfort to pass the time. At the guest house, host Kun Saksit and his son Rawit were polite and friendly, though not as warm as some other Thai hosts I've met. The guest house sits in a quiet southern corner of Chiang Mai's old city, just a 9-minute walk from Wat Phra Singh. The Saturday walking street market is just 12 minutes away, and Chiang Mai Gate Market is also within walking distance. The neighborhood is peaceful, yet you're only steps away from temples, street food, and night markets. For travelers wanting old town exploration without the noise, this is an excellent base. This family-run property has real charm. The wooden structure is decorated with bamboo features from the owner's farm and artworks by local artists. The effect is both stylish and personal. It feels like staying in a lived-in gallery. A small front garden adds greenery, and thoughtful design touches make the guest house feel tranquil and welcoming. There is a kitchenette on the ground floor with coffee, tea, filtered water, microwave, toaster, and snacks available to all guests. I would have preferred a kettle in my private room, but the communal setup works fine. The shared kitchen and dining space is handy if you bring back food from the night markets. A balcony on the second floor offers a shared nook where dorm guests can work or relax overlooking the garden. I booked an Ensuite double room at 32 meters square for 1,500 Thai baht per night. The living area is the first thing you see when you enter the room. There is a pink sofa bed and soft shag rug, good for lounging or an extra guest. I like that there is wall art everywhere. It's part of what makes this guest house unique. There's a flat-screen TV with streaming access. You need to log in with your own Netflix or YouTube accounts. The in-room fridge is perfect for storing drinks and snacks picked up from the nearby 7-Eleven. A ceiling fan helps with ventilation, in addition to the AC. The bedroom features a double bed dressed in clean white sheets with a pink runner. The bed is comfortable, not too firm, and good for restful nights. Again, the artworks above the bed add a gallery touch. A small desk and chair is provided, serviceable for light work, though it is a bit compact. There's an open closet with shelves, hanging rack, and generous hangers. Enough for a solo traveler, but tight for couples with large suitcases. A sliding glass door opens to a private outdoor patio with a table and chairs. It's shaded, but the views are of neighboring houses. The patio is best enjoyed in Chiang Mai's cooler months. Otherwise, mosquitoes and humidity may limit your use. The ensuite bathroom is modern and minimalist. White vessel sink, framed mirror, mix of grey tiles and concrete walls. The hot water works well. The walk-in shower is recessed, so there's no messy splashing. The toilet was fine except during a heavy rainstorm when flooding forced me to use a shared bathroom upstairs. Towels and hairdryer are provided. There's shampoo and shower gel, but you'll need to bring your own conditioner and lotion. There's no daily housekeeping. My room wasn't cleaned the 4 nights I stayed there, and this wasn't explained at check-in. Guests may need to request cleaning. There are laundromats nearby, but given the outdoor patio has a drying rack, a shared washing machine would be a welcome addition. Overall, Hostel 1 Art and Gallery is a stylish and peaceful place to stay inside Chiang Mai's old city. The artistic decor, quiet location, and comfortable rooms make it stand out. Just manage your expectations. Check-in is strict, housekeeping isn't automatic, and the patio may not always be practical in the hot season. For Gen X travelers who value location, design, and a laid-back vibe over hotel-style services, this guest house offers a decent stay.